If you are starting your fitness journey or you are already into your fitness journey, this video is definitely for you. Have you ever wondered why India lags behind in Olympics against countries like US, Europe, China, Russia? The reason is genetic testing. All their athletes undergo genetic testing before they start their fitness journey. The genetic testing will tell a person whether he is good at sprints, whether he is good at marathon, what time of the day one needs to do exercise, what kind of exercise one needs to do, how prone a person is to injury and how fast he can recover. So all the elements combined, one can start their fitness journey in a very scientific way. अपनी तरह पे हर राउंड भाग मिल्खा भाग नहीं चलता. इमेजिन व्हाट मस्ट हैव हैपेंड अगर भाग मिल्खा भाग बोल के मिल्खा भाग नहीं पाता, right? So if you want to start your fitness journey, do call us up and we'll tell you how your genes can identify the gaps in your fitness journey and we'll try to correct it. Thank you.